Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll show you how to make this very simple dress. You can call this an inner wear. So this is the print I'll be using here today, and I have of course my tools alongside. Yes guys, so what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and measure out the amount of fabric that I need. Yes, so I don't have much of this piece here. This is a leftover piece I have from somewhere, and so this is just a yard and some inches. So this 36 inches, that's for 1 yard, an extra 10 inches. That's all I have here. Yes guys, and you know this comes by a length of 60 inches, so I'm making my fold along that 60 inches into 2, then I'm folding it again into 4. Okay, so the width now is along the 60 inches, which is supposed to be by 15, while the length is the 36 plus 10, that's 46. Okay, yeah, so I have a length of 46 here, and of course a width of 15. This is supposed to be 15, but I think there was a little bit of shortage, so I have 14 here. Okay, yes, so I'm going to be cutting this in form of an off shoulder, so I'll be taking out 5 inches. You can take out 4, you can take out 5, but I'm taking out 5 because I'm adding a strip afterwards. So placing my tape at that 5 inches mark, I'm just taking note of my chest line at 9. Still at that 5 inches mark, I'm also taking note of what the waistline at 17. So those are just the two vertical measurement that I need, the chest line and the waistline. So I'm going to come now to that center fold to indicate my bust span measurement, which is supposed to be 7 divided by 2, that's 3.5. Then I add 0.5 inches to it, that is 4. Okay, yeah, so is that bust span I'm using now as my neck width here. So you can see me taking note of that 4 inches mark. Then I'll come to my chest line now and take note of my bust measurement, which is 38 divided by 4, that's 9.5. So I'm just adding extra 2 inches of allowance there. Okay, then I'll come to the waistline. So this is a waistline of 36 divided by 4, that's 9. I'm also adding what, my 2 inches of extra allowance there. So you can see I'm just connecting those 2 points there. So from that waistline, I'm taking it all the way to the length of the dress. So this is just like a bit of an A-line effect here. Yeah, so you can see me just marking out down there, and that's it guys. Like there's nothing extra here at all. So after marking out my shape now, so you can see what I have. So what I'm going to do now is to make a curve. You know what we usually do when we want to eliminate that sharp edge. Yeah, so just trying to be sure that the lowest part is free enough. So I'm just indicating my hip measurement with some extra inches there. Okay, yeah, so going ahead to mark out 2 inches up above. So I'm going to create a curve and connect it to what, that bust span measurement. So you can see what I'm doing there now. So this is just to eliminate the sharp edge at the lowest part there. Okay, yes guys, so after that guys, like we're done with the main drafting here. Yeah, so we'll move over to the top now. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to connect my armhole. So normally we're supposed to take it from that point there and take it to the bust measurement there, but remember I'm going to add a strip of about 5 inches for the front, 5 inches for the back, which is supposed to be 10 inches, right? Yeah, so I need to create a space where I'll be attaching my strip. It's supposed to be a 3/4 width strip. Yeah, so you can see me creating like a 1 inches mark there in between that space. So that is where I'll be attaching my strip. So after creating that 1 inches space there, so I'm going ahead to connect it to my bust measurement. So you can see this now. Yeah, so that is it. Then from there I can now indicate my neck depth. So I'm using a neck depth of 2 inches, just 2 inches from that point. Okay, remember if you place it at the 5 inches mark like that, it's equally 7, right? Yeah, so that's just it. So from there now I connect it to my neck depth. Guys, believe it or not, we're done here. There's nothing extra here at all. So I'll just go ahead and cut this out following what the exact shape. So you can see this guys. Yes, so that's basically it here. So after this we can go ahead now and open this up. You see how this look. So this is just the back view, of course. So still the way it is now, I'm going to cut out a strip. Remember it's supposed to be a 10 inches strip. We took away 5 inches. 5 inches for the front and the back, that's 10 inches. Okay, yeah, so 10 inches. Of course, I'll add extra half of an inch on each end, so which makes it 11. Yeah, so that's going to be an 11 inches in length strip that I'll be using. Then I'm using 2.5 in width of the strip. Okay, 2.5, that's what I'm using here to cut out my strip. And of course I'm cutting out two. That's two for each arm. Okay, yes guys, so that's just what I'm doing right now. So just trying to confirm, what I have here. And I have 11 inches here, and of course 2.5 in width. Yes guys, so that is it. So what I'll do next now is to make my fold. I'll be folding this my strip into two. You can fold it on the back side so and turn it to the other side, or you can try to fold both edges and also fold it again, just to give you the strip that you want. Okay, to be looking like this. Yes, so for demonstrating now, I'll just go ahead and use my pin to hold this down so that I can demonstrate further. Okay, so I'm holding this down. This is where my strip will appear. Then I'll go to my main piece now, open it up just the way it is sitting, right side facing each other like so. I'm not going to remove any piece, so I'm just going to attach my strip. You can see me attaching my strip on both ends on the right side. Do not forget that you can see the strip I'm being attached on the right side. Do the same thing for the second strip as well, attaching it on the right side. You can see this, guys. Yes, so once I'm done now, at this point I can now hem the neckline and the armhole. So this is the point I can do that. Yeah, so first thing first, do not forget to must have attached your strip. So the way it is facing now, I will now use my bias tape and sew on it. You can see the way I'm demonstrating with my arm. Once you're done on one side, you flip it, and also you have to sew on the other side as well, making sure that you are still sewing on the right side. So by the time you're done, using your bias, you have everything, all the edges hidden inwards. Okay, yes guys, it's as easy as that. So that's it, guys. So once you're done, okay, then of course you can now go ahead and join the sides. Okay, so once you're done attaching, cleaning up the edges with your bias, okay, then you have it in place. Then you can go ahead and join the sides. So you just take it from that armhole, sew all the way to the floor length of the dress. After that, then you hem the lowest part, and that will be it. Okay, yes guys, so I'll just go quickly finish that up, and you see how it looks. And here it is, guys. I've gone ahead to hem the edges. You can see this, the lowest point and also the side. I've also cleaned up the edges, every rough edges there. You can see my bias, although I didn't see the exact color, but I just made do of what I had. Yeah, so flipping it to the right side, you can see how this looks. So what this needs now is just a very, very good press, and guys, this outfit is ready. Yes guys, so that is it, guys, on how to make this very simple dress. We can call this an inner wear. You can wear this in a transparent outfit like your BUBU, your lace fabric outfit. You can rock it the way you want. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today as we have come to the end. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give me a very big like. If you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that as well. Thank you, guys. See you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.